Welcome to the Maintaining Your RBT Certification video. Whether you're a first-time RBT or renewing your certification, this video is the place to be for a rundown of the certification maintenance requirements. Ready? Here we go. To maintain your RBT certification, you must receive qualifying, ongoing supervision, adhere to the BACB's RBT Ethics Code 2.0 and self-reporting requirements, and annually renew your certification. Let's expand on what's involved with each one. First up is supervision. To maintain your RBT certification, you'll practice under the close, ongoing supervision of a qualified RBT supervisor or RBT requirements coordinator. Your supervisor is responsible for developing and overseeing the services you provide. This helps ensure that you deliver high-quality services and continue improving your behavior analytics skills. In a nutshell, the supervision structure each month looks like this. You receive supervision for at least 5% of the hours you spend providing behavior analytics services at each agency where you work. You have at least 2 face-to-face meetings with your supervisor. These can be in a group setting, but at least one of them must be one-on-one with your supervisor. And, at least once, your supervisor directly observes you providing services to a client. If you want a more in-depth overview, review the supervision checklist for RBTs on our website and the ongoing supervision section of the RBT handbook. Next on the list is adhering to the BACB's ethics and self-reporting requirements. This is a vital part of maintaining your RBT certification, as it helps you protect and support your clients during service delivery. To accomplish this, become familiar with the RBT Ethics Code, follow its standards closely, and self-report changes to your personal information, non-compliance with BACB required supervision, and critical events to the BACB. Learn more in the Ethics and Self-Reporting section of the RBT Handbook. Last but not least, you'll renew your certification once a year. Here's a timeline to show you that process. No more than 45 days before your certification renewal date, you must complete the RBT Renewal Competency Assessment and submit your renewal application in your BACB account. Then, you'll wait for your application to be processed, which typically takes a few days but can take up to 2 weeks, and receive an application determination via email. If everything is in good shape, your RBT certification will be renewed and you can continue providing services. If not, BACB staff will let you know what comes next in a follow-up email. To sum up, maintaining your RBT certification includes receiving proper supervision, adhering to the BACB's ethics requirements, and annually renewing. And there you have it. If you need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to your supervisor or requirements coordinator. Just remember, it's up to you to meet all of the certification maintenance requirements so that you can continue your valuable work. Thanks for joining us. We hope you found this information helpful. Until next time.